Hey Crafty fam, it's Alex Vanover and welcome back to my craft room. And in this special edition video, I'm going to be giving away 5 20 packs of the brand new StarCraft Adhesive HD. HD stands for high durability and it is honestly my new favorite adhesive vinyl ever, and I'm going to be giving away 5 20 packs to 5 of my Crafty fam members. So stay tuned for later in this video so I can tell you how to enter. But before we get into any of that, I want to tell you my top 5 favorite things about StarCraft HD. So if you haven't joined us over on the Facebook group or on the 651 Vinyl YouTube channel, make sure you do that because we have talked about StarCraft HD a ton. So I'm going to summarize for you my top 5 reasons that I'm obsessed with StarCraft HD. The first reason that I'm obsessed with StarCraft HD is the fact that all of the matte colors in this line are also permanent adhesive vinyl. So let me explain. StarCraft HD has 41 colors in matte and 41 colors in glossy of their vinyl. So that's over 80 colors, but each of the matte and glossy colors are exactly the same. The only difference is the finish. So a total of 41 unique colors, but 2 different finishes of each. But it is super hard to find matte permanent adhesive vinyl. So that is my top favorite thing about StarCraft HD. My second favorite thing about StarCraft HD is the fact that it is made for crafters. There's a lot of thought put into this product line, which I love. Like one of the features that is also really awesome is there's a special thin coating on the paper backing of StarCraft HD so that when you use a mat that's a little bit too sticky and you go to peel the vinyl off the mat after you've cut it, it's less likely to rip and tear and stay on your mat and be a pain in the neck to clean. So I just think that little features like that are really thoughtful about this line and I absolutely love it. The third thing that I love about it is how easy it is to weed, because if you guys know me, you know that I hate to weed. So anything that makes my life easier is definitely approved by me. And so no matter what size you're cutting of this vinyl, it is going to be super easy to weed. But that also brings me to my fourth favorite thing about this vinyl, and that is how intricately it can be cut. So StarCraft HD is specially held to the paper backing a little bit tighter than most regular vinyl, which means that you are able to cut more intricate pieces like really small mandalas and stuff like that with less ripping and tearing. Now, that doesn't mean that you can cut anything any size that you want, because just like any other vinyl, this vinyl has its limits, but you're less likely to run into issues and problems cutting, like, let's say 10-inch wide mandalas on your vinyl, and that is always a good thing. And my fifth and final thing that I love about StarCraft HD is that it's made here in the USA. We can't say that about many products these days, but I love backing and supporting a company that sells American-made vinyl, and StarCraft HD is made here in the USA. So now that you know my top 5 favorite things about the StarCraft HD vinyl, let's talk about how you can enter this giveaway. So here in a moment, I'm going to show you all of the colors that all of the winners are going to win, because all of the packs are going to be exactly the same. And in the comments of this video, not a Facebook post, nowhere else, in this video, comment your favorite color from this giveaway in the comments, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. So do those 2 things to enter yourself in this contest, and I'm going to pick my 5 winners on Tuesday, March 24th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So you have from when this video is posted until 5 p.m. on Tuesday, March 24th to comment on this video, your favorite color from the giveaway, and subscribe to my channel. Then, in order to find out if you've won, I want you to tune into 651 Vinyl's Facebook page on Thursday, March 26th, because I'm going to be doing a live and I'm going to be announcing all the winners, because it's not just me who's giving away 5 packs of StarCraft HD. Also, my boss, Troy Young, and all of our 651 Vinyl affiliate partners are giving away 5 packs of StarCraft HD as well. So make sure that you tune in with us on Thursday, March 26th on the 651 Vinyl Facebook page. I will link that in the description for you guys. And if you want, you can go enter all the other giveaways, because I think that the more names that you have the more chances you have to put your name in the contest, the better. So I'll link all those in the description for you if you want to go check out those videos as well. So without further ado, let's go check out all these awesome amazing colors that come in your 20 pack of StarCraft HD if you win this giveaway. So first is black. You can see that I have the black glossy on the left, and these are going to be all the glossy colors all on the left side, and all the matte colors are going to be on the right side. So the first color is glossy black. You can see the difference in the finishes there, but it is the exact same shade of black. And then there is white in white glossy over here and white matte over here. And then one of the really unique colors in this giveaway is the cream color. So you can see that there is a little bit of contrast between the white and the cream. And I am really excited about the cream color because I think it's a game changer. I really like how it's not quite such a stark white. So if you're wanting to make a project that's a little more on the subtle side, the cream is a great color choice. So here it is in glossy and in matte. And then we have my personal favorite, the Tiffany blue. So I know it might look a little bit of mint green on your screen, but it certainly is a true Tiffany blue. And that of course comes in a matte, a glossy and a matte. And then we have lavender, always a good choice. So you have the glossy lavender and the matte lavender. And coral, getting ready for spring. We have the glossy coral and matte coral. This is yellow, just regular yellow. There is a glossy yellow and a matte yellow. Here's green. It's kind of a shade, in person it looks a lot like a Kelly green. So here is the glossy and the matte. And then we have cobalt. So we have a glossy cobalt and a matte cobalt. But I love this cobalt color. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, we have the rose gold. So the rose gold is a super cool one to have in both finishes. It is metallic either way, but you'll see that this one is quite a bit shinier than this one. So I love having all of these color options. So make sure in the comments, in order to enter this giveaway, you tell me your favorite color. Again, your choices are black, white, cream. We'll put rose gold up there because it's already up there. Some of these are matte and some of these are glossy. Tiffany blue, lavender, coral, yellow, green, and cobalt. So those are the 10 colors that you are gonna get in both matte and glossy. And remember that every winner is gonna get all the same color. So each prize pack is gonna contain the same colors in both packs. So let me know in the comments what your favorite is. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you are eligible to win this contest. You don't have to share this video. That certainly is not an obligation of yours. But if you want to enter all your crafty friends, and if you want to help me out and help me grow my YouTube channel, I would love it if you would share this video on your Facebook page or on any social channels that you're on, because it is a huge, huge help to all creators, including me, when our videos get shared. So thank you in advance for your support, and thanks in advance for that. And thanks to 651 Vinyl for sponsoring this giveaway. I'm super excited to be spreading a little bit of excitement and joy in this crazy time in our country. I hope that everybody stays safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys on Thursday, March 26th to announce those winners.